opportunity to ask the question are two different things. You don't have the opportunity to pose a question, but I will allow the nominee to provide an answer.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, the honorable member is right. I have been instructed previously by Cassius Mining. I filed pleadings in the High Court in Bolgatanga, together with my junior partner, Mr. Borin Tamaklu. We litigated, various applications before the courts. I want to put it on record that I'm no longer Cassius Mining's lawyer. However, I'm keenly aware of the fact that the Constitution prohibits a situation where a public officer puts himself in a position where his private interest conflicts with the performance of his public duties. As Attorney General of the Republic, I will be the Republic's lawyer. As the Republic's lawyer, I am supposed to act in the best interest of the Republic, in accordance with the best traditions and ethics of the legal profession. I will not, in any manner whatsoever, compromise the interests of the Republic of Ghana. Honorable member, if you care to know, and I'm sure you are very well aware, that I was Deputy Attorney General under the former Attorney General, Honorable Marietta Brew. And for 4 years, we handled that ministry in such a way that the US government described the Attorney General's office as a corruption-free zone. We handled the ministry in such a way.
You are not supposed to take part in the proceedings. So remain silent and observe the proceedings. You are only here to observe.
So, Mr. Chairman, when we were in office, you can go back and check the records. There was no single incident, except the Wyoming matter that came before we assumed office. There was no single incident of questionable judgment that's arising out of or in connection with the performance of the obligations of the Republic in any contract or legal transaction. So I can assure the House that I will take measures if they are before the London Court of International Arbitration. I'm quite familiar with that tribunal. I've appeared before that tribunal several times, and I can assure you that I will put in the measures that will ensure that the interest of the Republic is not compromised.
Thank you very much. To follow up, Mr. Chairman, with respect.
Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Nominee, do you believe in the propriety of their case against the Republic?
With all due respect, I believe you have indicated the matter is before the court. Is that not so?
Mr. Chairman, I think...
And he is no longer the lawyer for the company. So in vetting the nominee, you cannot be soliciting for his opinion on that particular matter. So ask another question.
Okay, no. I never said I don't have any. Okay.
Please, have you finished asking the question?
No, since you didn't accord as having acted for a number of companies which have gone on to make huge claims against the government. In some of these cases, the companies were formed between the year 2013 to 2017. Your firm was the law firm which acted as lawyers for the firm, for the firm. At the same time, you were the Deputy Attorney General. After you left office, the companies proceeded to go on international arbitration against the Republic, claiming millions of dollars. We have an example in GPGC, which was the claimant in the Trafigura arbitration case. Mr. Nominee, your law firm's address, Ayeni Feli & Co.
is Honorable John Dako. The nominee told the whole world that he is mindful of the conflict of interest situation. When he was a Deputy Attorney General, nothing of that nature happened. He is now before us to be vetted for the position of the substantive Attorney General. Why do you keep on asking questions relating to his law firm?
Mr. Chairman, I think it's very important. The honorable nominee, which I know very well, is going to be the chief enforcer of our laws. And so, Mr. Chairman, and he's capable, I know he's very capable of answering any question posed to him.
It is not the capability,
Mr. Chairman.
it's not the capability of answering the question, but we need to be guided by the rules. You know, the law firm Aine and Associates is different from Honorable Dr. Akoditinga Aine.
Yes. Yes. But so, it doesn't mean that he cannot answer. When there is a semblance of conflict of interest, I think that it will be his own interest to answer that question, to clear the minds of all
honorable members. Do you have any